Eczema is not a skin condition. Can you fix eczema naturally?
Hey everybody, this is Dr. Ben. I'm a chiropractor working in Petaling Jaya, Malaysia. I was diagnosed with eczema about 3 years ago, and what did I discover?
In eczema cases, they have an imbalanced ratio of immune cells such as Th2 and Th22.
This drives inflammation and the overreaction of the immune system. Now in contrast, people who have psoriasis, they have Th17. There's too much of floating in their body.
This software problem makes both conditions easy to get inflamed and hard to improve. There are many types of eczema. I will focus on atopic dermatitis.
So I have consulted skin specialists and medical doctors, steroid tablets, steroid creams. Also tried many non-steroidal creams and lotions. But my skin would still get itchy and I would scratch and it would get infected. At its worst, I had to take 4 rounds of antibiotics in 1 year. Tried certain omega oils such as Sacha Inchi oil and sea buckthorn oil. Not much improvement.
Can you fix eczema naturally?
Things began to slightly improve when I started to take supplements, a high dose of vitamin D, and thanks to the Circle DNA test, I found that I needed vitamin B12 and some other vitamins. So I started to take vitamin B and the skin showed quite a lot of improvement. I'm very surprised that I was sensitive to carbohydrate and fat. So I cut down on my rice and there was again a slight improvement in my skin. However, the itchy skin still came back once in a while.
My biggest breakthrough came when I researched
High sensitivity to spice. So what's a spice? Spice is basically some type of plant which has a pungent aroma and taste, and some of these substances might irritate your gut. Does taking probiotics remove the heat in the stomach? Nope. After reading up on traditional Chinese medicine and acupuncture, and by experimenting with certain acupuncture points on myself, I managed to clear some of the heat. Skin looks better, and the itching goes away.
Want to learn more? Drop an email to info@mbachiro.com.
This is Dr. Ban, chiropractor, signing off from Petaling Jaya, Malaysia. See you in our next episode. Oh yeah, remember to hit the subscribe button and share this video.
Stay